Hey guys, so if you find that your estate by Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher does not drain, the best thing to do, take this out. Use a flat head or flat blade screwdriver, whichever one you want to call it, and get up underneath that lip right there. Pop it up, then grab you some gloves like I did and just twist it out. Then what you do is you get your shop vac, remove your filter, and if it has a bag, remove your bag. And then it's been, I done caused it to leak a little bit, but you see, there's a drain right there. Suck all that water out. And if you got a garbage disposal, which is right here, there is your line. Take your shop vac and take the hose and put it on that hose and suck all that crap out of there until water comes out. Pretty much is going to be clear. And then take your shop vac and put it through that hose right there on the garbage disposal and pull all that crap out of there if there's any in there. And turn the unit on drain, and water comes out, you know it's clear. It's hot as fuck in this house, man. But hey, I got a garage now. This thing's gonna need some work. I'm friends with the landlord, so I thought I'd go ahead and do that because I didn't want to buy a new dishwasher. The house came with it, and he said I can come over here and do what I need to do. This is the place where I found the 3 kittens yesterday that I took over there to the animal medical center, and got some ant poison out over there, as you can see. And I'm probably going to go to Dollar General and get some fogger bombs and set them off. But other than that, house needs a little bit of work, but they'll take care of all that. It was much nastier than what it is now. So I'll probably be back over here around 5, 6 o'clock tomorrow and finish the rest of it. Let them bombs do its job. So I'm gonna go to Dollar General and get them. They're not expensive. You see it draining? Right there? There you go. You're welcome.